Here's the Scotts mower, and you can see we have a problem. That is the mower deck belt. So if you're watching this video, you're probably experiencing something similar. We're gonna get this thing replaced. It's super easy to do. I'll show you how to get it done. And lower this deck all the way down. There's this idler pulley here. Grab a 1/2-inch wrench, crack that loose. That's a carriage bolt. Just loosen it almost all the way up, and then you'll be able to slide the belt in there. So here's my replacement belt, AK113. I got this one from a company called V-Belt Guys. I'll post links below. Recommend when you are buying a belt, buy 2 of them. So I'll have a spare on hand, and you can go ahead and reorder so you're not down. Guard just pulls straight down, pops out of the way like that. V side of the belt on the pulley here, and then you're going to put the flat side of this belt in this big idler here. Okay, so that's going to come in flat side around here, and then we're going to fish it underneath this little tab here. Just kind of work it back and forth. So next stop, you might have a plastic safety cover on here. This one's long gone. V side's going to wrap around the left spindle. We're going to come down. We're going to feed it into this second idler, this V idler here. So just pops in there behind this little tab. Okay, now it's pretty much just a straight shot across to the other side. Remnants of my old belt off of here. Served us well. Rest in peace. All right, so we're on the other side here. Just going to get some of this pulled over here. It's just a straight shot right across the back over to the spindle here. Loop around. So here's the idler that we loosened. It's a flat idler. I'm gonna leave that loose for a second until we get the engine sorted. V side onto here. This little safety cage encapsulates the belt there. Like I said, it's kind of spring loaded. Line it up and drive it home, so then that way, this belt doesn't just fall off the engine when it's idling. Tighten your idler back up that we loosened. Get that nice and snug. All you need is a 1/2-inch wrench. You're good to go for replacing the mower deck. Drive belt.